Centre for your centre practice, we are going to have a look at the ton lié, which is brilliant when you are really thinking about your weight placement. So starting in the fifth position, you're going to take a ton lié. So this starts with a demi-plié, taking your arms to the first position. Extend the front leg out, then you're going to transfer the weight onto both legs into the fifth position and then lower down without bending the knees. From here, we take a demi-plié, extend to the side, we're going to transfer the weight all the way over and then lower without bending the knees. Pick up the front leg to the retiré and then it's going to close at the back. And then you lift the same leg to the back of the knee, it's going to extend in the arabesque. You're then going to take your chassé, pas de bourrée, moving your weight onto your front leg, into your pirouette, to the fifth position, open and close. Then we can go on the second side. So we have demi-plié, through, stepping up into the fifth position, finishing on face. Take a demi-plié to the side, stepping into the croisé, lower without the plié. Take the front leg up to the retiré and close it behind. Up to the retiré and this time into the arabesque. Change, chassé, pas de bourrée, getting your weight over slightly more on your front leg. Your pirouette, closing in the fifth position. Lift and down. So now we're going to do our battement tendus with grand battement. So I'm going to start with my left leg in front so you can follow along with your right leg in front in the croisé alignment. Now it's really important for your posture that you don't throw the back backwards when you're trying to lift the leg in the grand battement. Really focus on lifting up in the front of the stomach and maintaining the correct postural alignment, whether the foot is staying on the floor or when you're lifting. You don't have to lift the leg very high, especially if you're just sort of coming into the centre and finding where your balance is. You can take a grand battement just off the floor if you wish. It's more about how you get there. So remember, grand battement is a throwing action. So we're going to start with our battement tendu. So it starts in with the arms in bras bar, taking them through the first position and then opening out. 2 battement tendus to the front. So we have out and close, and out and close. As you take the grand battement to the front, you're going to lift your arm up so they both come together, closing in, and you come on face. And I've got the same leg in front. Then we do exactly the same to the side. So tendu, close, throw the leg up, close behind, and change. Then to the front, close, from here, grand battement to the front, closes in, but keep the arms in the second position. Take a tendu to the side, close in front on the demi-plié, and you're going to practice your relevé up to the front of the knee, closes back down in front. Again to the side, lowers down, up you go, closes back down in front, and then you can start again. So tendu, close, grand battement to the front, closes in on face. To the side, in, out you go, through and change. Front, close, arm and leg together, and this arm opens to the side. Tonji to the side, arm and legs together. Up you go, and that leg closes in front. Tonji to the side, closing down, lifting up. Now make sure when you take your leg up from here, that the foot stays in contact with the other leg. So you're going to have to really think about your tummy, making sure you're coming up the front, and then that leg closes in front to finish. Two tonjis, front. We're on that arm. Closes on fast to the side. Brush. To the front. Keep lifting up in your stomach. Close. Stay where you are. Arms are in second. Out. Down. Up. Close. Again. Repeat on the other leg. Closes on fast. So now we're going to try some pose turns. For a pose turn, the foot is going to be at the back of the knee. So if you start from the corner with your right leg dégagé devant and your arms in the third position, you need to plie on the back leg because this is going to help you push off the floor for the pose turn. So we're going to take two slow pose turns to start. So we've got 1 finishes 2, and then again 3 finishes 4. Then you have 2 going 5, 6, and then from here, chassé, pas de bourre, right. So let's set it on the other leg. So you now have your left leg dégagé devant with your left arm in front, looking over your shoulder. So remember your plie to start. So you have pose turn, comes down. Again, pose turn, comes down. Then you have your 2 quick pose turns, in, and chassé, pas de bourre.
Thank you for watching. I will be sharing my new video for you next Thursday morning. Please do comment below if you have any thoughts or questions, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have found this video useful. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then you can subscribe by clicking the icon below. The full-length videos can be found at my website, tipsonballettechnique.com. You can also choose your next video by clicking from the selection here. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon.